Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are exposing the truth about the Migilife Cooling Ace. Is it actually worth buying or just another internet scam? This this little device claims to cool your room using just water, no electricity. Sound amazing, right? Let's be real. Can a tiny battery powered fan really replace an air conditioner? A lot of people who bought it say it's weak, cheaply built, and stop working after a few days. There no official brand's website, no proper warranty, and zero transparency about the company. So before you waste your money, think twice. The Migilife Cooling Ace might look cool, but it's probably just clever marketing. So if you found the helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more honest tech reviews. Thanks very much.